guys, this is me, Din Din. I'm very so proud you've been watching my videos. I hope you like it. So we are unboxing this box from my mom. So we got squishmallows, mini fan, bubbles, a phone, Robux. This is from This is like a Robux and clippers and squishy dumplings. So let's unbox it. This is first. Oh, I got green. Oh, that's so sad. But that's okay. Let's unbox the squishmallows. Here and this. So I got Lindsay. So let's unwrap it and put in the box. And this is a telephone. This is like a robot. And this is a bubbles. I hope you like my videos. Comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.